Tonight should be peaceful. Wow. Cheese. Ah. Yes. All mine.
What? Who's there? Show yourself. That was close. Maybe I can blend in here.
Don't move a muscle. Just be a statue.
I know he's in here somewhere. These statues all look too perfect.
That one. There's something funny about that little mouse statue.
What? Hey! Oh no! Hello? Is anyone there?
Help! I can't see! Whoa! Watch out! Oops!
Giggles triumphantly!
Chirp, chirp! Oh my goodness!
All right, that's it. No more. Starting now, I'm getting back in shape.
I've got this! One more! Just one more! Huff! Must keep going! Puff, 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 puff!
Oh, that cake must resist. Just a small taste.
No, healthy choice. But can a cookie really make Tom give up his goal?
No. I'm on a diet.
Losing weight isn't easy when Jerry always has such tempting challenges like this.
Must hold it just a little longer. Oh no, no, I'm falling.
Chirp, chirp!
Meow. I guess I can't lose weight.
Chirp, chirp.
So even though all their efforts may fail, Tom and Jerry can still find joy in happy moments.
Today, Tom and Jerry decided to try a thrilling ride at the amusement park. But what will happen when they both participate in a dramatic race? Tom and Jerry can't wait. But nobody expected Jerry to have other plans. Hey! Where did he go?
Woohoo! This is more like it.
The race begins, and Jerry has the advantage. But Tom isn't giving up easily.
Go! Here we go! I can still catch him! Just need more speed! And they're neck and neck! Who will cross the finish line first? Trying to catch me now, Jerry? Oh, you're not getting away this time! No! Help! What happened? Turn around! There is no way back! You'll never get away from me, Jerry!
Jerry tries to dodge, but his car gets a flat tire and starts hurtling downhill.
Gotta catch him! Gotta catch him! Not gonna get away this time! Must get it! Help, Jerry! We're trapped! Ha-ha! Looks like we tied, Tom! And so, despite the dangerous race, they both end up with a soft landing. Bet you won't take on the screaming serpent! Ha!
Watch me, Toots!
Not so fast, Jerry! Whoever gets in the pool first wins!
A challenge?
Time for action! Let's do this! Take that, Tom! I'm gonna Gorgon head first! They both hurtle off at breakneck speed.
Jerry is in danger! Jerry! Jerry, no!
Jerry!
Jerry!
I'm coming, Jerry! Hold on tight!
Oh, boy!
I've got you, Jerry! Just hold on! We'll make it!
Thanks!
You did it, little guy!
Yeah! Watch this curve!
A peaceful night camping in the forest. But for Tom and Jerry, it never lasts long. Is there a monster? He'll never learn.
It's just a hedgehog, friend.
Look at him, he's so scared!
Jerry, help me!
That wind is terrifying! Oh no! The fire is about to go out! Without the fire, it will be very cold.
Gotta move, gotta move! Need more wood. Come on, where is it? Here we go.
Ah!
Eek.
Oh.
Today, Tom is trying to be a wizard in this magical village. But as always, Jerry has a way of messing things up. Chirp, chirp. Up, chirp. With the wand in hand, Jerry embarks on a new mischief. Hoppity hop, little chair.
You'll never get me, Tom!
Not this time, Tom!
Oh no!
I've got you now, you little scoundrel!
Not today, Tom, not today!
Just wait till I get my paws on you!
Try if you can, Slowpoke!
Abracadom! Aha!
Ha! I've almost got it! Oh.
Hi there!
Whoa, a rabbit!
So the final spell is complete, and although everything is chaotic, both Tom and Jerry can breathe a sigh of relief.
Tom is going to do a great science experiment today. But as always, there will be surprises.
Tom just wanted to do a simple experiment, but now everything is out of control. Help! Whoa! Make it stop! Oh no! I'm gonna be sick! Oof! Ooh, W, whoa! Whoops! And so, the laboratory is now shrouded in a mysterious smoke. Hey, where are you going? Hey, where are you going? Oh! Gotta run! Help! Get me out of here! Jerry, you little pest, come back here! Oh! Ha ha! Look at me go! What? What? Huh? Huh? You! I'll get ya!
Narrator, so this chase has turned into a thrilling flying adventure.
So sometimes, science experiments just can't stop yielding unexpected results. This morning at the zoo, Tom was working as a guide. But what happened when Jerry showed up? And as you can see, the monkeys are a fascinating and wait, what?
Hi! Chirp, chirp!
Tom thinks Jerry is a monkey and decides to teach him a lesson.
What was that?
Jerry runs through the animal enclosures, chasing the monkey, but Tom always misses him.
I've got you now, you little scamp!
He's stuck!
Oof!
Here, boy!
Rumble! Jerry, up there! Got him! Woohoo! Trumpet! Spluttering! Ta-ta for now! Oh.
He's behind you!
Watch out!
Watch out!
I'm already out of the water!
Come back here, you pesky mouse! I'll get you this time! Look out, Tom!
Jerry, I've got you now! You're slipping, Tom!
Look out!
The more Tom chases, the more trouble he gets into.
Squawk! Tom! Tom!
And in the end, it seems Jerry is the winner again.
In this huge supermarket, Tom is on a simple mission, shopping for dinner. But something is gonna mess everything up.
Ta-da! Look at this, Tom!
Jerry, what are you doing? And so, the shopping battle begins! Amidst the overflowing shelves, Tom and Jerry are engaged in an endless race!
The more they chase, the more trouble they get. They can't stop!
Help! Ouch! But in any race, sometimes all it takes is a meal to make peace. No matter what you two do,
You can't stop being mischief. Tom surely thought he'd have a peaceful evening with his favorite movie. But Jerry didn't think so. Tee-hee.
You pesky little mouse!
Narrator! What's worse than relaxing and watching a movie, only to have it turn into a relentless chase?
You little, I'll get you!
Oh, Tom!
Not today!
Just wait, I'm coming right for you!
Tom not only had to deal with Jerry, but with everyone in the theater.
Missed me, Tom!
Enjoy your snack, losers.
Got it.
Now Tom is stuck in his favorite movie again.
But Jerry is messing everything up.
Where am I? This isn't the movie.
Wow!
Looks like I've eaten a little bit mud.
Just a few more steps and I'm free. But first, a little something for the road.
No! It seems the movie just ended, but you two still won't stop acting.
And so, a peaceful movie night turned into a non-stop adventure.
This afternoon in the park, there's a kite flying the highest in the sky.
It's... Chirp.
Oh no! The kite-catching plan has turned into an unexpected flight!
Help! Let me down! Whoa! Whoa! Woohoo!
Thank you, Tom. Thank you, Jerry. You're welcome. Popcorn? Oh, thanks, Tom. That's so kind of you.
Another busy day at the water park. Everyone seems to be having fun, but I must remain vigilant. Safety first. That's my motto. 3 whistle blasts means everyone should pay attention.
Oh my! Look at this feast! Ice cream, hamburger, French fries. This is better than any cheese I've ever found.
1 French fry for the road. A little ice cream for energy. And this pickle looks delicious.
What's that? Is that Jerry? Stealing food in MI Water Park? This won't stand! Emmy out, Dobby! Stop right there, Jerry!
Hey! Get back here!
Oh no! I've got you now, Jerry! Not so fast!
Time for a bath.
This is fun! Much better than being chased on dry land!
Whoa! Not again! Why does this always happen to me?
That's what you get